Um, a lot of things can be innovated. We believe it starts with the person, the innovator. So we look the world through the lens of an innovator, and through my career I figured out that a lot of people who are struggling how to become innovators. Whether it is a sari with a pocket or Siri, a whole lot of things is covered under innovation. Having said that, how many of you think if you Google innovation and if you Google innovator, this would be the number of hits you would see? It's about 1.2 billion versus an order of magnitude different. So that means there is something skewed about this topic of innovation. That means more of us should be doing than the some of us that what are actually doing. And if you see, how many of us actually think we are innovators? We usually ask this question in the beginning. If you can show a raise of hands for me to count. Okay. Yeah. This room is slightly, we usually 6 to 8%. I think it's more like 8 to 10%. So it's still in that range. So that is where we try to understand what is going on in this person's mind. What is it that he or she is trying to do? And in that case, how does he or she think? Do they dress differently? Do they talk differently? Do they walk differently? Or do they there in a hologram around their head? What is there about this person who is called innovator? And it's a very intriguing story because most of us are. Think about it. As students, if you have to get attendance, see, one ready-made idea already, proven and tested. Now if you want to manage home and teachers, another axis will come. If you manage your kids, you can think how you deal with policemen when you're caught without helmet. You know, you are very creative best. Sir, somebody has expired, I have to really urgent, I forgot. So somebody will suddenly come out of nowhere to help you out. But the brain starts to work and say, hey, look out for a solution. Find a way to get out of this situation. For many people, it is like magic. You all have been fascinated when you were kids about magic, right? Magic show is always lights are off and the spotlight is on and then he does something. Somewhere you know it is not true. Somewhere. But it's difficult for you to tell yourself that it is not true. Because you don't know how he is doing it. So till you know how the magician is doing the magic, it becomes very difficult for you to know and accept that it is true. So you believe, you get wow. Anybody has a note to spare? I want to prick a hole in that currency note. Do you have, Abhishek? $100? Okay, I have one. This is just a piece of paper. I need a pen. If anybody has pen or pencil, anything would do. This is a real note, not demonetized yet. $100, normal paper. Okay, normal paper. Okay. I am not a pro magician. Okay. I just flip it around. I want to poke a hole and make this note useless. Okay. I'm going to fold this nicely here, and I'm going to put this pen and say 1, 2, 3. Gone. $100 gone. Right? So the magician would say, it's out. And then he would say, here is the paper, which has a big hole. Can you see? It should be on this also. How? Magic. Magic.